In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add UPI payment gateway in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have your GoDaddy store ready to accept payments through a provider that can surface UPI for eligible customers using the built-in payment settings. I'll keep things simple and make sure you know why each click matters. Start by signing into your GoDaddy dashboard and opening the website you want to configure. From the left-hand menu, go to Store. This is where your e-commerce tools live, including products, orders, and, most importantly for today, your payment options. If you don't see Store, make sure you're working on a plan that includes online selling. Inside the Store area, open Settings. Think of Settings as your control center. This is where you manage business details that power the checkout experience, like taxes, shipping, and payments. Next, select Payments. The Payments section connects your storefront to a processor, so money can move securely from your buyer to you. Here you'll see the available providers that integrate directly with GoDaddy. Find the PayPal option and turn on the slider to enable it. Toggling this on adds PayPal as a checkout method. In many regions, PayPal can also present local payment choices to your customers at checkout. If UPI is supported for your market and account, eligible buyers will see that option automatically on the PayPal side. You'll be prompted to enter your PayPal account email. Type the exact email associated with the PayPal account you use for receiving payments. It's important this address is correct and that the account can accept payments in your currency and region. If you run a business, make sure your PayPal account is set up for commercial use and fully verified to avoid payout delays. After entering the email, click Save. Give it a moment to confirm your changes. Saving locks in the connection so your checkout can display the PayPal button and, where available, local options such as UPI. Once saved, publish your site if you've made other edits. Then, run a quick test. Add a low-cost product to your cart, proceed to checkout, and confirm you see PayPal. If your region and account are eligible, the PayPal flow may present UPI to your customers at this stage. If you don't see it, double-check your PayPal account settings, currency, and regional availability. If the toggle won't enable or you encounter errors, try refreshing your browser, clearing cache, or confirming you're logged in as an admin. Recheck the PayPal email for typos and ensure your account is active. That's it. Your GoDaddy store is now set to accept payments, with UPI appearing for eligible customers through your connected provider.